Okay, now, I gotta get some heat shrink. Let me get some heat shrink. So, we're gonna need a couple of little pieces. Okay. That's not gonna be big enough. I cut it too short. All right. Let's just use 2 long pieces if I need them. I have them. And then this may or may not work. I doubt it. I need something heavier than this. But you know what I'm gonna do? Oh, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna cut it just in case it will fit. And if it doesn't, it's not like I can't use it someplace else. Okay. Put that right here next to Bud. Next to Bud. Okay, now, is this solder iron going to work or is it not? I've never worked with something so damn temperamental. That should not cool you down. Okie dokie, let's do it this way and see what happens. This may be alright for now. So anyway, I'm waiting for a phone call from one of the guys, if you want to look at it this way, my superior in the communications. And I sent him an email saying, we need to talk. I already put it in my report that if things don't change by the end of May, I'm done. We got all these in there that want to have titles, but don't want to get on the radio to check in and do anything. And trying to pass traffic when there's only 2 people on the radio, me being one of them, is a bit of a pain in the ass. I mean, it's not worth it. So meanwhile, you're trying to get guys on there. You know, then somebody may check in, like this week, there was a third party that checked in. You know, okay, so-and-so, checking in, no traffic. All right, well, that's a start. Now, if he checks in next month with somebody, well, it's the 3rd Thursday of every month. So if he checks in, and we get somebody else to check in, now we have Ray, myself, this other one, and another one. Now it's 4. See, so now we can possibly start passing a little traffic and making it interesting. Now, part of the problem is, a lot of these guys want titles, but they don't want to do anything. So a few minutes. Well, this has got flux in it, so we should be okay with this heat. This takes a second to get hot, however. It'll start to smoke in a minute. There she be. Okay, now we'll just dab a little solder on it. All right. Now let's do what we need to do here. You got to heat the wire so that the solder sucks into it. We don't want the solder just laying on top of it. We want it to go all the way through it. So we want to get it started, and then we want to heat it up from the bottom so that the solder, as we put it in through the top, sinks right through the bottom, hence going through the wire. Yeah, like that. Hence.